Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. Pasta with fresh tuna and cherry tomatoes. Subscribe to this channel and discover many new weekly videos recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this recipe by finely chop the onion, garlic, parsley, mint leaves, and set aside. Wash the tomatoes, cut them in half, and set aside. With a sharp knife, cut the tuna meat into cubes of about ½ inch and set aside. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add salt. And the pasta, cook until just shy of al dente 1 minute less than the package directs. While the pasta is cooking, place a large frying pan or a skillet over medium heat. Pour in a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the onion, sauté until soft about 2 minutes. After about a minute, add the garlic sauté for a minute longer. Add the tuna cubes and brown it for a couple of minutes, turning frequently. Add the cherry tomatoes, chopped parsley, capers, black olives, and red pepper flakes and sauté until soft, about 2 minutes. Once the tomatoes are soft, add the white wine or pasta water and let reduce it by half. Optional, add few mint leaves and a bay leaf. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. When the pasta is almost cooked, save a ½ cup, 200 milliliters, of the cooking water and drain. Transfer the pasta to the sauce and toss to combine. Add few tablespoons of pasta water if needed. Mix the sauce and the pasta together well, and finish cooking the pasta in the sauce, about 1 minute, and serve. Top with few chopped mint leaves and lemon rind. If you find this video to your liking, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.